Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Esosa. So today we are making beetroot juice, aka miracle juice. This beetroot juice is everything. Tastes absolutely delicious and very healthy as well. These are all the ingredients for this recipe: beetroot, apples, carrots, lemons, and ginger. Rinse beetroot thoroughly and remove the leaves. So I'm going to be using the leaf because of its nutritional value. Beetroot has lots of amazing health benefits, like it helps to lower blood pressure, protect liver, good for pregnancy, treat anemia. Use a peeler to peel the beetroots. Set aside. Peel the carrots. And ginger set aside as well. Rinse the apples. Remove the seeds and set aside. Use a manual juicer to separate the lemon juice from the pulp. Beetroots, apples, and carrots helps delay aging. Like, it makes you look and feel younger than you really are. It contains vitamins. It helps to lower blood pressure. Ginger and lemon, on the other hand, helps with weight loss, improves your immune system, helps your kidney to function properly. Dice the carrots into smaller bits. Transfer first apples, carrots, ginger into the blender. Add 1 liter of water. And lemon juice. Blend. So this is the carrots, lemon, apple, and ginger juice. Next, we are going to be blending the beetroots. Use a strainer and muslin line safe to separate the pulp from the juice. This miracle juice right here is everything. I call it miracle juice because of its amazing health benefit. So for best results, take this juice every day, at least once a day. It works best on empty stomach. I can't wait to test it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll see you guys in my next video.